Everyone in this world is unique and talented in their own way, but there are some people out there who are on another level. They dedicate their entire lives to becoming as skilled as possible in the thing they're truly passionate about. And today, we're going to be taking a look at these incredibly skilled and talented people. So without further ado, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and let's get started. Last Airbender.
How is he doing that?
I don't want to hurt anyone.
Oh! Stop!
This is also how it looks when the waiter's following you to your table. I don't know what this dance move is called, but it looks really painful. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we found Cristiano Ronaldo's chicken. Just imagine going out for an afternoon boat ride and then seeing this guy. Apparently, you can also backflip with a jet ski in a swimming pool. Here's why you don't want to mess with a kung fu master. This guy practiced for 11 years to finally pass the extraordinary final test to officially become a master. This amazing move is called monkey going up a tree, and it's one of the most difficult in all kung fu. During the along with it. Shooting with a bow requires a lot of training before you get any good at it, but this girl wanted a slightly bigger challenge. Her name is Sophia Dossi, and in this video she breaks the Guinness World Record for the farthest arrow shot into a target using only your feet. Once again, not sure how applicable this is to everyday life, but it sure does look cool. This makeup artist illusionist by the name of Mimi Choi is so talented she can transform her face into almost anything and make it look crazy realistic. You may think this is computer graphics, but these are actual people. These students were trained to have perfect synchronization. All this guy needs is some wine and 2 glasses to blow your mind. These guys' insane taekwondo skills look like they're being performed by superhumans. I mean, how is that even possible? Is this real or just a very realistic painting? I gotta wonder who even came up with these crazy ideas. Either way, it's amazing to watch, but I recommend you not try this at home. Drawing a perfect circle is something we've all tried, but these amazing people prove that it can actually be done, and they also make it look very easy. Now this is impressive. I gotta wonder, what does this guy do on his lunch break? Because he sure doesn't spend much time eating. This amazingly talented bassist definitely deserves to perform on a big stage, not on the street. What's your amazing talent? Let us know in the comments section down below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. See you next time!